Before we dive in, I want you to picture something. It is Tuesday morning, the sun is very up. You roll over in bed, grab your phone, and there is a notification. You have earned $55. You smile, not because $55 will change your life today, but because you earned it while you were sleeping. Now imagine seeing that notification every morning. Sometimes $55, sometimes $120, sometimes $500, all from the work you did weeks, months, even years ago. That is affiliate marketing done right. And I need you to hear this. Affiliate marketing is not what most people on the internet make it look like. Today, I'm going to tell you exactly what it is, what is not, how much you can realistically earn, and why this model works for people of all ages. By the end, you will know if this is your path and how to take the first step. Hi, I'm Franck Chanda. I help people build online businesses that create freedom, not just money. I have been around this industry long enough to see the scams, the overhype, and the get rich quick promises. And I have also seen the people who quietly and steadily build an income they could rely on. So, before we go to this lesson, you can sign up for Wave Affiliate to get all the tools to start building your online business right away. You need to sign up now so that everything that I will show you in this lesson will make sense and have a clear picture of this journey. You find the link in the description below. Today's lesson is the foundation for everything else in this 7-day bootcamp. If you skip this, you will miss the piece that makes the rest work. Affiliate marketing is simply recommending a product or a service to someone and getting paid if they buy through your special link. That is it. Here is the flow. You join an affiliate program, they give you a unique tracking link. You create content that talks about who demonstrates the product. A person click your link, they buy the product, you earn a commission. You don't need to own the product. You don't handle the shipping. You don't process refunds. The company does all of that. Your job is just to connect the right people to the right solution. Think of it like being the bridge between a product and a solution. If someone's struggling to lose weight and you recommend a wake-up app that works, you have helped them. The company rewards you for that connection. Let me explain this in a simple way. Think about when you tell a friend, hey, I tried this new pizza place, you should go. If your friend goes and buys the pizza, the restaurant make money. In affiliate marketing, it works the same way, except to get a piece of a profit for making the recommendation. Let's clear out the myth right now. It is not MLM. You are not recruiting people under you. It is not about pestering friends and family. You can build an entire business without telling a single relative what you are doing. It is not overnight riches. I need to be honest. You are not making $10,000 in a week starting from zero. This is a really business, and like any business, it takes work. But here is the beautiful part. It is scalable. Once you have built the systems, they keep working without you having to trade hours for dollars. This is not just for techie savvy 20 years old. A 14 years old in Wave Affiliate community built a YouTube channel reviewing budget gaming gear. It now earning him around $20 per month. For him is huge. A 68-year-old retired started a blog about gardening tips. Within a year, she was making about $1.5 per month in affiliate income, and now she spends her afternoon gathering while her son earns in the background. The tools and training available today make it possible for anyone to start, even if your computer skills are basic. If you can type an email, you can do this. Let's talk numbers, realistic numbers. Months 1 to 6, you are building. Expect anywhere from $0 to $300 per month. Your focus here is learning, creating content, and getting your first clicks. Month 6 to 12, you are consistent. you can see $300 to $1,000 per month. That is rent, groceries, or your car payment. Get to $1,000 to $5,000 per month is achievable if you follow the right system. This is where you can start replacing a part-time job or a full-time one. Get 3 plus $5,000 to $20,000 per month is where many long-term web affiliate members land. Some go higher, even 6 figures a month, but they've built multiple sites, mastered the niches, and treat this as a business. Remember, the content you create today can earn you for years without additional work. One of the biggest challenges beginners face is creating enough content to get noticed. You might think, but Frank, I'm not a writer. That is where web affiliate AI tools come in. When you join, you get a monthly AI credit that lets you create thousands of blogs, product reviews, and guides, all in a minute. You still control the voice and the message, but AI removes the blank page problem. This means you can publish 4 to 5 times more content than most beginners and get results faster. You could try to piece this together with a random YouTube videos, free blogs articles, and trial and error, but that is what slows most people down. Web Affiliate gives you step-by-step training so you can never wonder what next. Website hosting so you don't have to buy it separately. Keyword research tools so you write about what people are actually searching for. AI content credit so you can publish like a pro. A supporting community of thousands of members ready to help you. You could spend $200 plus a month on all those tools separately, or you can get them all in one place. In the next lesson, I'm going to walk you through how to build your first affiliate marketing system from scratch, picking up your niche, setting up your website, and creating your first piece of content. By the end of lesson 2, you will have the structure in place to actually start earning. So here is what to do right now. Click the link in the description or go to Web Affiliate, create your free account, explore the training, use your AI credit to create your first blog post. Don't wait for the perfect time. It does not exist. If you start today, 1 year from now, you could be looking back, grateful that you didn't let another year pass without taking action.